eitthvað, sko, ég satnaði saman einhverjum quotes frá Letterboxd.
Ok.
Hérna, ég með ansi mörg, maður þarf að velja hérna. We got the wrong version of the internet. Það bara, já, það sem þú varst að tala um, það sem við áttum að höfandi að fá, sko.
Já.
Laser Tag Maze Cinema.
Ég fíla það.
Matthew Lillard, will you be my girlfriend?
Love it.
If Tarantino wasn't too busy sucking on some toes to look up and watch this, he would never have said none of that BS about Matthew Lillard.
Mjög rétt.
Like 1995 itself directed the movie.
Rétt.
Perfect, cool dork performances from everyone in their half shirts and rollerblades. Þannig það allir í svona magabólum í þessari mynd.
Já.
En hérna byrjum við, svo hérna literally every character in this movie is queer-coded except the cop.
Ha, rétt. Mjög rétt.
I came for Angelina Jolie. I stayed for Matthew Lillard.
Yep.
Why'd they give Beavis his own Tron movie? Og svo þetta, first time I watched the movie, I took an edible and I had to keep pausing because it was so perfect that it almost gave me a panic attack and I kept crying.